Alright, another quick tutorial. So today I'm going to change these to darker ones. Yeah, my van is dirty, absolutely filthy. In fact, I've got them right here, and left and right specific, not too hard considering the shape. But yeah, the LEDs, they should look a bit nicer. Okay, so here's the new ones, looking nice and well, they're wrapped at the moment, nice and clean compared to the rest of my van. My mate of mine in work said to me, he goes, oh, all you do, get a trim tool, pop it behind the back on the inside of the door frame, this part here, and it'll just come clean off. It's just clipped into place, he says, and take the wire out, put the new one in, push it back in, and you're done. Well, he was a liar. So I just tried that, and I've just broken one. Look, so there's no way that's going back in. So they're actually screwed in here and here on the back there. So you just undo these with the Torx. There you go, look, it's quite loose already, and you can just push that, see? Oh god, yeah, I wasn't even filming, so there you go. So you just undo that. Then once you've got a bit of length on the screw, you can just give a little push and it pops out the other side. And you can just take them out with your hand. There you go. So I just given the surround here a clean with a bit of kitchen towel, and I'm ready to put the new one in. So I just put that in there because I couldn't do it with two hands. You can see it's got a little line on it that lines up, and you just push that in until it clips. See if I could do that with one hand. No, still struggling. Okay, so I had to have two hands to do that. I couldn't do it while holding a phone, but it just pops in, and there's a little ridge on it, and that clips onto it there. So once that's in, take this plastic off, pop it in, and then just redo those screws on the back. And you don't need to do these up tight. Remember, they are just going into plastic housing, so once you get a little bit of a bite on them, just that's enough. There you go. And there they are. Look at that, working. So that job takes probably about 10 minutes. Again, it's one of those jobs that's so easy to do, take you about 10 minutes, and take you longer to find your tools. There you go. Hope that was helpful.